Changing your tiles is not the same as fixing a cracked tile, as many people confuse renovation and repair, but they are completely different in construction. Sit back as I explain to you in few minutes the difference between renovation and repair. So guys, I welcome you to my YouTube channel where we break down construction into simplest form everyone could understand. Now, what is repair? Repair simply means fixing something that is damaged or not working properly. You are not changing the design, you are not upgrading, you are just restoring it back to its original condition. Example, fixing leaking roof, fixing of faulty plumbing, patching of wall crack, and replacing of broken tile. The main goal of repair is maintenance, not transformation. Now, what is renovation? Renovation means improving, upgrading, or transforming a building. Here, you are changing the look, design, or sometimes the structure. Examples, converting of bungalow interior to modern finish, expanding of room, changing of old tiles to modern design, and upgrading of ceiling design. Renovation increases values and improves aesthetics. Now, here is a simple and clear difference between repair and renovation. Repair means fixing damage, while renovation means upgrading or transforming. If water is leaking and you decide to seal, that is repair. If you decide to remove the whole of a bathroom and redesign it, that is renovation. Why this matters? As a property owner, knowing the difference helps you budget correctly, avoid contractual misunderstandings, and also helps you plan your project properly. Now, some clients will be like, I want small renovation. Meanwhile, in natural sense, they actually mean repair. And of course, the cost difference can be huge. So thank you guys for watching my video till this moment. If you learned something new today in today's video, follow me for more construction insights. I break down building topics in simple terms so you don't get cheated on site. Thank you guys. See you guys on the next one. Peace out.